Chief Executive Officer of Bank and Financial Institution, delegates from member countries of Asian Credit Supplementation Institution Confederation, the staff of the Deposit and Credit Guarantee Funds, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen, very good evening and namaskar. I am deeply honored to stand before this esteemed gathering on the occasion of 51st anniversary of the Deposit and Credit Guarantee Fund and the inauguration session of the 36th ASIC conference. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to DCGF on its 51st anniversary. Over the past 5 decades, the fund has made significant contribution to the nation through mandate of the providing deposit and credit guarantee schemes. Established 50 years ago with shared ownership between Nepal government, Nepal Rashtra Bank and commercial banks, the fund has played a pivotal role in implementing the priority sector lending program introduced by Nepal Rashtra Bank. Since then, it has been instrumental in advancing the policy tools of Nepal Rashtra Bank, particularly in expanding financial access and reaching the unbanked population with a focus on promoting non-collateralized loan products. The fund has taken on the critical responsibility of deposit insurance, safeguarding deposit in the event of bank failure. Though the case has not been happened so far, this initiative has strengthened public confidence and financial stability in the country. Over the years, I have observed the remarkable growth of the fund in terms of its fund size, staff capacity, outreach, and the range of product it offers. I am confident that this growth will continue in the future. On this special occasion, we are also celebrating the inauguration of the 36th ASIC conference. I understand that this is the second time Nepal has had privilege of hosting such an event. After a span of 30 years, I extend my sincere congratulations to the Deposit and Credit Guarantee Fund and the entire ASIC team for organizing this significant event in Kathmandu. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to all foreign distinguished delegates from various countries to our beautiful city. I trust this conference will serve as a valuable platform for promoting credit supplementation programs and for the exchange of knowledge, ideas and experiences related to expanding small businesses across Asian countries. The promotion and formalization of a small and medium enterprises are crucial for the economic development of a country like Nepal. Nepal Rashtra Bank has promoted and encouraged microfinance institutions to reach the far corner of the country, bringing the unbanked population into a formal banking system. Additionally, the bank has mandated financial institutions to allocate certain percentage of their lending to the deprived sector and grassroots level of the economy. The contribution of organizations like the Deposit and Credit Guarantee Fund and ASIC are invaluable in the effective implementation of such policies. Over the course of these 5 days, the conference will engage in in-depth discussion, deliberation, and experience sharing among member countries. The conclusions and outcomes of the conference will provide essential policy recommendations to the relevant agencies of the government of Nepal, as well as Nepal Rashtra Bank, to further our objective of expanding quality financial access to every corner of the country. In conclusion, I wish for the successful completion of the conference and a pleasant stay for all our foreign delegates here in Nepal. अलिकति नेपालीमा पनि निवेदन गर्न चाहन्छु। महत्त्वपूर्ण योगदान DCGF को छ। नेपालको अर्थतन्त्रमा, बैंकिङ सिस्टममा करिब 20-21% डिपोजिट भोलममा इन्स्योर्ड भएको छ। हाम्रो एक्सपेक्टेसन सामान्यतया के रहन्छ त भन्दा ट्रेडिसनली जे काम गरिरहेछौं ठीक छ, सबैले राम्रो गरिरहेछौं, तर अब नयाँ किसिमबाट डिपोजिट इन्सुरेन्सको अवधारणा अनुरूप एउटा ब्याङ्कमा समस्या कदमको जाति आइहाल्यो भने त्यहाँ इन्टरभेन गर्न सक्ने क्षमता भोलिको दिनमा डिसिजिएफले राख्नुपर्छ भन्ने चाहिँ हाम्रो मान्यता रहेको छ। यहाँनिर आजको यो कन्फरेन्सको थिम पनि फाइनेन्सिङ इनोभेसन भनेर राख्नु भएको छ। ट्रेडिसनल कामभन्दा बियोन्ड यहाँहरू जान खोजिराख्नु भएको क्लियरली देखिन्छ। यो थिमलाई चाहिँ पछ्याउँदै मेरो शुभकामना डिसिजिएफले आफ्नो 51औं वर्षको यो अवसरमा यसलाई नयाँ किसिमबाट, जसले गर्दा सेन्ट्रल ब्याङ्कको पनि बर्डन क्रमशः कम हुँदै जान्छ। अरू मुलुकहरूमा त्यो प्र्याक्टिस छ, डिपोजिट इन्सुरेन्सले चाहिँ इन्टरभेन गर्ने। त्यो किसिमबाट कानुनी संशोधन लगायतका प्रस्तावहरू अगाडि बढाएर जानुपर्छ जस्तो मलाई लाग्छ। यदि भन्दै म पुनः यहाँहरू सबैलाई धेरै धेरै शुभकामना दिन चाहन्छु। My best wishes for every success of this conference. Thank you once again for your kind listening.